Hey, it's Tom Gallagher and another story behind the car. I'm with Christian Locke and
What's going on?
wow, great looking Jimmy. How
Thank
long
you.
have you had it, Christian?
My dad bought it about 12 years ago.
And is it your truck now?
It is. He handed it over to me when I was 16.
Oh, wow.
Well, it didn't look like this,
Okay.
but
What condition was it in?
as of last year, it was completely rusted out. Quarters, fenders, floors, tailgate. So we had to replace all of that this past year. And I was lucky enough to do well at my job so that I could restore it back to life.
And was it something you and your dad did together or?
Yes, well, we had some help from
Yeah.
external sources, but for the most part, yes, it was me and my dad, and he did the interior himself, and yeah, just put it together ourselves.
And what year is it?
1989.
89. Wow. And what color is the top? Is it a white top?
It is white. It is
Yeah.
at home right now.
I've never seen this. I live out in Lake St. Louis, so a
Oh,
little
nice.
bit west of here, but
Right.
how long have you had it on the road?
A few months.
Yeah.
Maybe. I mean, we just finished the interior like a month ago. But I should give a shout out to Mike Bruni in Washington, Missouri. He did the body work and paint.
And was it a friend, or did you have a relationship with the place?
My dad did some work with him.
Yeah.
So I would say there was a little bit of a relationship there, but overall, he just does really good work. So we had to go with him.
It's got the flip top.
Oh, yeah.
That was in there?
Well, that's a different one. We had to get a new one because we had to cut the roof up, and there were only 3 left in Missouri. And we
Yeah.
bought, or 2, there was 2 left, and we bought this one.
Yeah. So I'm an older guy, but back in the day, that if you had one of those, you were the bomb.
That's awesome.
And when we first started talking, you said you had a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
And what is the channel?
It is just my name, Christian Locke, and I do music.
And how is this spelling on the last name?
It's Locke.
Locke.
Yes.
And can you raise the hood?
I can. There's nothing too crazy under there.
Yeah, if I don't show it, people are gonna think, oh man, you ripped us off.
I get it.
The paint is amazing.
Thank you. This is the next project here.
And what do you plan on doing?
I would like to rebuild the 350, keep it original underneath,
Yes.
and clean everything up.
And detail the engine bay?
Yeah, but new new valve covers and dress-up kit, new manifolds and or headers
Yeah.
with a full exhaust. That would be cool.
And what do you do for a living?
I make music and I do social media.
Okay. And is your social media Christian Locke as well?
It is.
Yeah. Well, outstanding. I'm just going to back up and get one last shot.
Totally.
Well, thank you so much, Christian. This is a great looking truck and a great story behind it.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you.